Boys and girls, today we're going to be doing Astro 1.2C1. So we're going to do our 1 just like we always do. You're going to look at the numbers. If you need to draw a picture, you can, and then write the answer. 2, you're going to solve it. If you need to draw a picture, you can, and write the answer. 3, you're going to solve it. If you need to draw a picture, you can, then write the answer. Number 2. Which number goes in the empty space? 19, something, 21, 22, 23. When you figure out which number goes in the empty space, you're going to color in the square. Number 3, Nathan had 10 cars. Boys and girls, how many cars does Nathan have?
10.
Beth had 16 cars. How many cars does Beth have?
16.
Using tally marks, using what, boys and girls?
Tally mark.
Show how many cars Beth has. Number 4, there are 4 balloons. How many balloons, boys and girls?
4.
3 balloons are blown away. How many are blown away?
3.
How many balloons are left?
1.
Remember, we're not answering. Write a number sentence to solve the problem. This is where you're going to write what you have, what was your change, what happened to cause that change, and how many are left. All right, boys and girls, are we ready for the back?
Yes.
How many 10s and 1s are below? So we're going to count. 1 group, 2 groups, 3. How many sets of 10?
30.
3. How many 1s do I have?
4.
Thank you, boys and girls. It says to write the number in standard form. Standard form means I am just writing the
Number.
Jace. Justin, you're going to be next. Next it says write the number in expanded form. When we're doing expanded, we're looking at the value of the 10s and the value of the 1s. Let's count our 10s. 10, 20, 30. So we're going to write 30.
So I write the number?
30.
Okay.
Plus the value of our 1. So you're going to write the plus sign. How many 1s do we have, boys and girls?
4.
So we're going to write the number 4. Very good. All right, Joshua, you're next. Write each number. How many 10s do we have, boys and girls? 8. How many 10s?
8.
So we're going to put an 8 in the 10s column. How many 1s? So we're going to write the number. We're going to do the number 65. Boys and girls, how many 10s? 6. So we're going to put a 6. How many 1s? 5. So we're going to put the number 5. Okay. Thank you. Number 7. Write the standard and the expanded form for the number 6 10s and 4 1s. So I'm going to do 6 10s, 4 1s. What number does that make, boys and girls? 64. In expanded form, my 10s really have a value of 60. My 1s still have a value of 4. And my number in standard form is 64. If you need, you may always draw a picture. The last one says, draw a picture using tens and ones to show the number 35. Anastasia. So how many tens are we going to draw, boys and girls? 3. Draw 3 tens. 3 tens are just the line down. 10, 20, 30. How many ones is she going to draw? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, boys and girls.